Through this video, you are going to learn about difference between cost control and cost reduction. What is cost? Cost is the total expenditure incurred for making a product. The main objective of any institution is earning more profit. So what is profit? The difference between selling price and the actual cost of the product. When the company tries to reduce its cost, it helps to increase its profit level. For that, there are two important measures taken by the institution. They are cost control and cost reduction. For cost control, the company fix some limit, that is standard. After that, they will compare actual with the standard to know the variation. Is there any variation? They will find out the correct reason for the variation. After that, the company will take remedial measures to reduce the cost of the product. Regarding cost reduction, it is a permanent strategy followed by the institution without compromising its quality. So it can possible through proper strategy and technological upgradation, or through involving some developed equipments. It helps to reduce the cost permanently. Let us see some examples for cost control. Adhering to a travel budget. So sometimes travel expenditure may be increased due to increase of petrol and diesel price. So they have to find alternative expenditure. They have to find alternative for reducing travel cost. So through proper voucher checking, evidence regarding salesman travel expenditure with a budgeted limit, it helps to reduce the cost. Through monitoring waste, we can reduce the cost. We can't avoid the waste, but through proper training to the employee and the monitoring system, we can reduce the cost. For find out better supplier, it helps to reduce the raw material cost. So the institution has to claim a discounted price for bulk purchasing. Examples for cost reductions are: for reducing cost, the institution has to introduce new technology with some equipments. It helps to reduce the cost permanently. By redesign or optimizing product design, they can reduce the cost price. Through proper supply chain management, sometimes the company may keep the raw material unnecessarily for long time, so it may increase the cost of maintenance. So just in time is the correct principle to reduce the maintenance and storage cost of the raw material. Let us see difference between cost control and cost reduction. Regarding objective of the cost control, they have to keep the cost within the budget. At any cost, they should not exceed that limit. So first they fix the standard. They try to keep the cost within the standard. Here, it is a genuine and permanent effort taken to reduce the cost per unit. Regarding approach, through proper monitoring and preventive measures, by setting up of standard, they can reduce the cost by comparing actual. Some proactive and strategy has to followed by the institution before fixing the standard by adopting new method of production. Next one is focus. Cost control techniques is focusing on regulation and management of expenditure, but here it has followed some strategy to reduce the cost function of the organization permanently. Time frame. Cost control system can be applicable only for short term. Here some strategy and technology introduced, it will be used for some time, some long duration. Here in cost control there is no guarantee given regarding the quality maintenance, but whatever the cost reduction strategy followed by the concern, they are not compromising their quality. So they have to maintain the same quality by inventing some new method of production. The nature is cost control is routine nature, so they have to follow it frequently. Here if they followed some strategy or new technology, so they have to follow it continuously, but cost reduction is a dynamic and continuous processing system. It helps to increase the efficiency of the institution. I hope you understand the difference between cost control and cost reduction. Thank you.